Yeah, God bless you, brothers and sisters. Today's date is Tuesday, February 11, 2020. I repeat, today's date is Tuesday, February 11, 2020. I want to personally plead for one thing. I need you all to help share this video without delay. Whoever lays their hands on this video, just go ahead and share it. My truth is kind of a little bit, yesterday I was in Fort Bend, Texas, where we attended a court hearing, which we're going to talk about later. And the breaking news today is that Togba terrorist group, Obaseki Togba terrorist group, they succeeded of bombing APC Edo State Secretary resident yesterday. But unfortunately, I was in the courtroom. We're going to talk about that, and we have an update about a terrorist governor, Godwin Obaseki, heading to PDP. We have inside information. Allegedly, they are still negotiating. So he wants to destroy APC before he moved to PDP. So that being said, brothers and sisters, I want to thank God Almighty. I want to thank every man and woman. I want to thank the Almighty in America who gave me the voice I have today. And not only that, I want to thank those of you who share our video with your heart and who come here and support. Money is not everything. You know what I'm saying? Money is not everything. So that is what I want to say for now. I want everyone to go ahead and share while I do my own sharing. We understand the situation on Comrade Tony Kabaka Hotel. Governor Obaseki is already in trouble. And those that sympathize with Tony Kabaka, we appreciate it. May the Lord Almighty bless you all. Those that was happy, that said that Governor Obaseki demolished that house, and they were happy, you people are in the wrong side of history again. So as it's not clear to everyone, Governor Obaseki demolished that house illegally, without the proper authorization paper from the court. The two days before the hearing day, he went ahead at them. So this is Governor Obaseki is a terrorist. He's a terrorist. So we're going to talk about that. May the Lord Almighty bless you all. Share this video. And if you like our video, go ahead and hit like. That is it. I'm not going to be long here. I'm just going to, maximum is 1 hour. I have a lot of things that I got to do, I still have to look for one way or the other. I'm self-financed, and I have 5 people who have help one way or the other. And may God Almighty bless our PFN father, Paul Digier, and my lovely brother, Fred, and others, John Coker, and Mama Bologna, and Mama Evangelist Dorothy Enofe. These are all PFM. Who have assisted me in this court battle for the past since December. Now we keep getting more litigation upon litigation, blah 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 blah. But yesterday, God is great. We are not going to talk about the court because it's an ongoing hearing. So we are not going to. We're going to respect the both party. That is me and the lawyer. So, but later in the evening, later in the end of this broadcast, I will update you. God bless you. I love you. Let's share this video.
Obaseki o boy, Obaseki o boy. Ekinu dona. Ekinu wewa dona. Una ya go. Ekinu we do Obaseki. Agbọ̀wẹ̀gbẹ́ máa wẹ̀ ta àríyẹ̀yẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ bá ṣe Godwin lórí Gaius Godwin no be Gaius. I kwere enini ta foja munu Godwin. When ojoku ya ki ojoku media. I kwere ene ti afoja munu obi Gaius. Ne Esholan no be Gaius. Na ye Godwin yari ovan. O agwebi o. Okoya fe ne Tony Kabaka u. O solobo ya ebone. Uwe egbe uwe. Emi fe ni support we ya gore investment ore. O ni ya guwa. Oguwa ya. Emi fe o solobo ya ebone. Ore babo we. O saloba waka awe mi dan. Una do fi werie, ye mi dani re. Una do awe mi esi. Ye ge mi dan ya nuka u. Emi esi ni nuuni. Ege gina we. Sisi wina dan no ye Tony Kabaka wina. No ye Tony Kabaka wina. Awe ye ti ya wina. Ye ti wini wina ni. Obi na fi werie ba. Oh, ihe do awe ni esi. Uwe otobo no ye continue iwina dani. Iwina dani o ya gbo e. Ogbo wa so ogbo wa van ogbo wa ri eyore. Ko wa ke ti o sa no ne abati no bi obaze. Ko wa ke ti o sa abati no bi obaze. Ko wa ka ti no wi o ti na bati no your baze iwe na don e agbo wa agbo Godwin Godwin o ko ya fe na Tony u o saloba ya boene o saloba si eye ni ona do muju ohun o ko ni wo kinya o ko ya fe wo kinya o ko ni ma mo go bi o wa gbon wa bat no we o eti ye o abi amo metila ma o abi amo metila o abi izabi wawe o he alari wa o ke alari abati no ya baze izabi wawe o ke alari wa aba Godwin no be Gaius owo wo winyati no ragbo mo re iri but owo salobua owo na nyati eti no ragbo ni kekere no re iri vene na owo salobua izabi wa alari wa o arie amo metila wa miwe wa gwebi o jagbon je ire ogboni san ege governor oni sa wa tu ole no e kian ai ko me ono da pass no gbare wa mo gwebi o wa gbon ko wa kai abati no we abaze oni we akamo boka wa gbogun arigu ori no wo we owo ke sisa egbe ariye iye ya ni riye wo eye na wi aje yakian no wi we o we akodi dokere o akodi o dokere ma o agbe.
So, brothers and sisters, Mega Comrade, I hate to be right all the time. You know what I'm saying? I hate to be right all the time. You know, I wish. Ooh, it's getting cold over here. Damn. Yeah. Yesterday when I traveled to Fort Bend, Texas, It was like a summer over there. So as we were heading home, back home, then we drive like about 200 mile, about 250 mile, heading back to Dallas, Texas. So we started noticing cold. We started noticing. I said, "Wow, God is great." You can imagine this is Texas, and it's not easy. I hate driving. You know what I'm saying? I hate driving. I don't like driving a long distance. You know what I mean? I don't like it. But I have no choice. I got to do what I got to do. Sometimes in life when you are fighting for those who cannot fight for themselves, there are a lot of things that is going to come on your way. But the ability to be able to overcome everything matters a lot. It's unfortunately that the world have become so corrupt that when you are doing the work, it's like monkey the work, bamboo the chop. You are doing the work, other people are taking credit for your own job, collecting money for it. So it's unfortunately that is how the world became. You heard a lot of audio that is going around about the Ijaw surrounding Edo land and Ishekiri. I want Edo people to understand that they are all over the water, everywhere surrounding Edo land. I spoke about this a couple of years ago, about 3 years ago. People were insulting me about it. So I'm not going to be a part that is going to come out and start condemning one another. No. So I'm just going to watch, because I already said it. If I tell you this is going to happen and you choose not to take my advice or you choose to ignore it, I don't mind. I will just wait and let you face the consequences of your action. So every action have reaction. So if you are sending me any audio of anything going on, if they tell you, oh, there are Boko Haram surrounded those states, don't send it to me. If they said Ijaw, Ishekiri, they are kidnapping people around the whole water surrounded those states, don't send it to me. I will block you. I will not even ask you a question. I will block you because you are not dumb, you are not stupid, you are not foolish. For the past 3 years, I have been blowing whistle on it. You all choose to just turn a deaf ear or blind eye on it. So just like this terrorist group that they call a Obaseki terrorist group, 4+4, talk back group. It's a terrorist organization. Last time when they launched it last year, I told the people a time will come, there will be exploding bomb that they are just starting now. And I told you they are using a system to form a terrorist entity. Not even up to 4 months. Terrorists Abat, Etinomieson, Emite, Obaze have proved me right. If you have listened to his video, please tell me if you have mentioned my name recently. I didn't watch it. Someone just sent me this clip. It's not even up to. I don't even watch him anymore. I don't have the time. Someone sent me this clip. It's not even up to about 2 minutes. And I'm going to play it. I'm going to play. You're going to say, I want you to just listen. Give me 1 second.
Talk about family all over the world. We are going on a membership drive by next week.
Okay.
We're going to have Talk About Family Island branch, Talk About Family US branch. We have Houston, we have Texas, we have Minnesota.
You can say that this guy is not educated. Omaye school. He said they have Houston, they have Texas. Abi, is that not what he said? This boy have been overrated. I overrate him. I overrated him. This is a college vacation dropout. You know, when I was in Uniben, I was not admitted. I was going to class. I wasn't admitted in Uniben. If I would have stayed there for 4 years, I could have found one way or the other. When they go to Copper, then I will go there too. I will be there. Every day I dress, I just come, I take a picture, go forge a certificate. This guy is not. I want to educate him a little bit. Houston is a city under Texas. We call it Texas in Nigeria. In America, they call it Texas. You know what I'm saying? Houston. There's no Houston, Texas. No, there's no, we have in Texas, we have in, no, nothing like that. I want you to listen to it. I'm going to correct it, then I go straight to the point. So be mindful of what you comment here, or else you're going to be out of here. This is not Obaseki platform at all. It's not terrorist platform. This is Pastor Usage Izeyamo and Comrade Adamali Oshomule People Freedom Movement platform. The poor platform. This is the Innocent Post Citizen platform. So I urge everyone to share this video. Listen to him.
Ogawa, talk about family all over the world. We are going on a membership drive by next week. We're going to have Talk About Family Island branch, Talk About Family US branch. We have Houston, we have Texas, we have Minnesota, New York City. Honolulu 5. Honolulu 10. Honolulu what was forming Bugwa? When my way ask for people, what forming Bugwa? Wow, strategize. We're going to create what's we're going to have Talk About Family Italy branch, Talk About Family Germany, Talk About Family Canada, Talk About Family Australia, Talk About Family China, Talk About Family Ghana. Edi mahia wo election pass kina. That will give him energy to continue to serve us and give us the best. So from next week, if you want to join fully join the Talk About family, because once you're a member of Talk About family, you are automatically a crack team. Because my mom will be crack team.
You hear that? When you become Talk About terrorist group from 4+4, he have removed 4+4. Now it's Talk About. I don't know why people, those citizens in abroad, most of them are really, really stupid. Fool. How can this uneducated terrorist in Amagba community can be able to manipulate you people, make you believe he's going to make you to be close to governor because you people cannot work. Inability to work and make money on your own have strength your brain to the extent that your brain and your way of thinking is not limited under terrorists about Obaze. You know what I'm saying? So now, from making you people believe that you're going to support Obaseki 4+4 terrorist group, and you thought, oh, you're going to make money, you're going to be close to the governor, you're going to be having power. Now, all of a sudden, this nigga brainwash you people to form its own entity. Terrorist group. Now, less than 3 months, you have systematically removing 4+4, knowing fully well it's not a good mission. There's nothing like 4+4. Is dead on Arava. So systematically, he's removing in it, and he's still brainwashing you. And you are in America. Let me tell you, there's something I want to say today that is going to make a lot of people shocked. There are people who left Nigeria without even going to secondary school. They went through Niger, they went to Libya, and they eventually they arrived in Italy. I want you to know, if you have struggled in one country and the other, from one to another to another, and you have 10 years, you are better than even some so-called graduates. You are more educated than some graduates. Because I always say travel make my wiser and less happy. And traveling depends on how you want to educate yourself. Traveling is a part of education. There are people who flew from Nigeria to Canada and you have been there for 20 years. When I wanted to join the Nigeria, when I wanted to join the, there was a, when I wanted to join the Custom Protection Department, I was asked, do you have a bachelor degree? You know what I'm saying? Give me a second. So, just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I think I'm just gonna quickly do this. Do you have can you imagine this idiot Margaret is asking me if I have work? You can imagine. These are people that their brain is so. I don't me wuni anakere igai yo keke no we na igai wa keke no ni anzie ye gbe ma keke ni na amodo on our way, go and sleep. Come and put me to sleep. We are low here. So that okay. So you know what I'm saying? So these people, you left Nigeria. Let me go there. You are in Europe, you are in America. You're gonna allow one man, a terrorist, uneducated fellow, a person that did not know the difference between Houston City and is calling it Texas City. There's nothing like Texas City in America. And he's the one telling you, he's the one just one of boys buy computer too. They are saying Texas, the way you call it in Nigeria, is a state in America. It's not a city. Texas as a state is bigger than the whole Nigeria. In landscape, bigger than the whole Nigeria. Texas is where Houston came from. Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, and many other cities. Fort Worth, Texas. So this is a person that called himself even a class 4 geography. They test you 50 states in America. These are the cities, these are the state capital. Obviously, these terrorists, etinomieson, emite. Or my, you know, a difference of a Texas City. You know, sometimes you overrate people. You know what I'm saying? So this is the person, this is the person that is controlling you people. Now he has systematically tell you now that talk back, he has removed four or disappear. 4 plus 4 is disappearing because you know 4 plus 4 is a terrorist organization. Now you want to call it talk back. And here when he said, if you are a member of talk back, now this is a person that fought with other organizations that call themselves family for many years. He fought with them. He dragged their name through the mud. When he was expecting to marry, he has no money to marry. He was expecting a baby, he has no money. He did whatever it takes as a terrorist. Now, look, just listen to him again. Listen very carefully. Sit down and listen.
Talk about family all over the world. We are going on a membership drive by next week. We're going to have Talk About Family Island branch, Talk About Family US branch. We have Houston, we have Texas, we have Minnesota, New York City. Wi-Fi. Wow, strategize. We're going to create ourselves.
You hear that? Or even though if it's 5, he's telling you that it's in America. Anyone in the United States who spent 10 years in the United States is better than a graduate in Nigeria. So when I was going to Custom Protection Agency, you know what? On the application they were filling, do you have a college degree, associate degree, blah blah blah, or do you have a correctional or detentional 3 years or 2 years experience, equivalent to college degree? If you want to join Border Patrol or police, they will ask you, do you have a bachelor degree or associate degree, or do you have any other law enforcement agency experience? 2 years or 4 years equivalent to a bachelor degree. The white people that are saying that are not stupid. They know the reason. Americans are not stupid. They are the smartest people in the world. They know the reason why they always use experience or equivalent. But obviously, some of you that are in Europe, are in America, are in Canada, have a myopic mind that you don't see beyond yourself, or you think you limit yourself. May God not let my follower and my viewer limit themselves in Jesus' name. May you not limit yourself to the standard of Amagba community in a Benin City. Amagba not even a Benin City. Amagba is a village. So a boy going limited in Amagba. So a boy who is a terrorist in Amagba, etinomie so, etinomio ya, etinomwe melu, etino dwela mamu, etinoji. Yorido ahamu wa, when wa kama. If you to iri mani bu konve doa. Now so some Benin people don't get sense. How can someone who did not know the difference between a state and a city, a man that could not even know that Houston, even as many times I called Dallas, he could not still understand know the difference. Now he's telling you, talk back. What about the 4+4? What happened to it? It's not even up to 4 months. 4+4 is already disappearing. Or a 4+4 woman. Okay, now it's not calling talk back family. That Davio, let me not say it in my mouth. This is not why I'm here today, but let me just quickly, someone send it to me and say, interesting.
Of God, talk about family all over the world. We are going on a membership drive by those of us by next week. We're going to have Talk About Family Island branch, Talk About Family US branch. We have Houston, we have Texas, we have Minnesota. In your city, Wi-Fi, Wi-10, what was for me? When my way, ask for what for me? Wow, strategize. We're going to create WhatsApp. We're going to have Talk About Family Italy branch, Talk About Family Germany, Talk About Family Canada, Talk About Family Australia, Talk About Family China, Talk About Family Ghana. Oh, yeah. That will give him energy to continue to serve us and give us the best. So from next week, if you want to join fully join the Talk About family, because once you're a member of Talk About family, you're automatically a crack team.
Exactly. Bam. You heard that. You heard that. Obio Hahiri. Kave ENA Edo National Association. Now done Iro Anagbeu. Edo National Association. This small boy with Lillipede mind, Lillipede sense, was able to manipulate you people. So from 4+4 that you people have used him to sing, there is no 4+4 now. It's Talk About. Talk About now. You are automatically a crack team. Even the one that have a foundation, the one that have reality show, you are no longer your reality show. Is now crack team. What get with better OG
energy to continue to serve us and give us the best. So from next week, if you want to join fully join the Talk About family, because once you're a member of Talk About family, you're automatically a crack team.
Of course,
my mom will be crack team.
If you are not a criminal, you are not a cheater. Why are you so forward and say you don't cheat? When a criminal, we always tell you is not a criminal. You know, I want to quickly say this. I want to respect the Anthony, the lawyer of Oiboke yesterday. He did a job that most lawyers don't normally do. After an argument in the court, I went there. I represent myself. Akataka, we're America. But to representing Bevelode. But to argue when I joined. Now me argue. Let me tell you about America. We have a defense Anthony. We have immigration Anthony. We have a civil rights Anthony. We have online First Amendment right, Anthony. So the criminal Anthony or criminal defense Anthony or civil, civil family, civil lawsuit Anthony cannot argue First Amendment right cases. They will tell you it's not their field. So their lawyer is really, really real. So when I took another lawyer, it was different from this particular one. They will tell you we don't argue this, but we have someone, but it's already occupied. Okay. So we entered the court. I argued. I went there with my uncle. May the Lord Almighty bless him, and I thank him. So he was there. I argued that I will not be represented properly. So I have to get a good lawyer that can be able to represent me properly. So I argued that they should extend it, they should adjourn the case. But the lawyers, you can say he present his case. So I'm not going to talk about it because when I step out of the court, you see, last week they were saying Iran Omigo is doing this, begging this. You see, now they took out my video already. My Facebook is out. They finally took that Facebook out. And I want everyone to be patient with me. We're gonna do what we do. Let's just go on YouTube. That's fine. Let's forget about it. So Facebook is gone. They already took it out. So when I came out, the lawyer approached me, and I respect him. He really spoke very, very good. And said, private things, discuss private things, which I'm not going to discuss on social media. Then I said, okay, on Monday next week, I'm going to be heading back again. I'm going to be going back on Monday next week. So, that being said, you allow this boy, you allow this boy to brainwash you, to manipulate you. Give me 1 second. I got to fix this. One more time. 1 second, brothers and sisters. I got to fix this. Whoever that, they use virus to attack my network, now...
The governor no we have to allow but the governor not take Yahoji. He give a fact that Bamago. Abama no one say Obaseki Ario Baru. I take Bama no one say Obaseki Ario Baru. Ọ̀gẹ̀lérò orí tánra àwẹ̀ sí ìnáwó òdà yá pọ̀ mẹ́wò. Òwàgè náà wẹ̀sì mọ́ òwàsì wàríà náà òwà wàríà rẹ̀. Obaseki must go! 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 National vote number sekinia amelion panama yunu kawu arrivien yu poni iyo na baze give piyo the governor no we ga buju to allow iyo no ri but the governor na te ya hoji e give fa gba bamego agbọ̀n lọ́wọ́ mẹ́sì Obaseki Ariobawo àti gbọ̀n lọ́wọ́ mẹ́sì Obaseki Ariobawo ọ̀gẹ̀lérò orí tánra àwẹ̀ sí ìnáwó òdà yá pọ̀ mẹ́wò.
Brothers and sisters, my Facebook have been completely shut down. Everything I did is not working, so we are just gonna be on YouTube and finish what I'm saying. So you see this terrorist Abat Obaze, I am going to go ahead and play the video again. Then before we move to the next, the mail event. Okay, just 1 second.
Ogawa, am I selfish? We are 100 week in my house. Any you create. I'll tell you how we're going to go about it by next week.
Okay.
We are going on a membership drive. If you want to join Crack Team, you want to be a member of Crack Team Nigeria, because we have a WhatsApp group where we coordinate. That's why we are so organized. This is the most organized platform. Nobody will ask you for money in this campaign. Abatobase will never ask you for money.
But you can get.
That does not mean that if you want to donate campaign materials to the government, we will accept it. Yes.
Okay. You heard that? That does not mean if you want to donate campaign material to the governor. You can imagine that. You that have already suffered. You went through Libya. You went to Ghana. You went to Sierra Leone. You went to everywhere and come to abroad. Obaseki could not fix home for you to go back and invest. Now he want to take your money. So you can see Oji. Terrorist group. Make one by one. Every screenshot here worry. Inoba wa wari ri atape yo me age o me fa bani ma wa stay no bani wa yi ma wa story lele ni noro o even wa mena wa story ya wa babuwa what gase ha enwe na meru jare. Okay, let's go to the main event. Brothers and sisters, unfortunately our Facebook have been attacked by Obaseki 4+4 terrorist group, Togba terrorist group. A newly formed terrorist, political terrorist organization in Edo State, led by terrorist Abat Obaze. Today's date, once again, is Tuesday, February 11, 2020. Obaseki Togba terrorist militant bomb Edo State APC Secretary, Mr. Lawrence Oka resident. That was yesterday, 2 days ago. Edo State Minister of Calamity. I want you to underline this word. Edo State Minister of Calamity and Governor of Evil, Mr. Godwin Aho, Obaseki militant, struck again. Governor Godwin Obaseki is the Minister of Calamity in Edo State. I repeat, Godwin Obaseki is the Minister of Calamity in Edo State, in APC Edo State as we speak. There is nothing this animal have not done to our amiable APC National Chairman, Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole, a former two-time Executive Governor of Edo State. There's nothing this Minister of Calamity did not do to remove him from power. You know what I'm saying? But thank God Almighty, and thank the good people of Edo State who stood fair, firm, and consistent and continue to defend and protect our amiable Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. Thanks to People Freedom Movement worldwide, and thanks to the tiger and the lion combined himself, Mega Comrade Ranomigo Edegbe, for standing tall above every other one who doubt that Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole is finished. Governor Obaseki have finished him. I say, how dare you? How dare you? I came out, and every day I've been coming out, doing what I got to do. Doing my own part. My own part. I am doing my own part. If you are not doing your own damn own part, that is not my goddamn business. But I'm doing my own. I'm doing it more than what I'm supposed to do. And yet, this animal, Minister of Calamity, Godwin Aho, refused to give peace to our leader, amiable Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. That being said, terrorist Abat Emite etinomie son Obaze of Obaseki 4+4 Togba terrorist group militant are held responsible for the bomb explosion in residence of Lawrence Oka. May the Lord Almighty continue to protect our amiable comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole, APC National Chairman, a husband, a father, Osho leader, Osho number, Osho calculator, Osho quick, Osho store stopper. I repeat, Osho show stopper, Osho wonder, Osho pepe, above all, Osho akboko na pepe. God will continue to protect him and protect the good people of Edo State and the good people of Nigeria. Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole did everything he could for Governor Godwin Obaseki. Unfortunately, a betrayer will always be a betrayer. Governor Godwin Obaseki, as the Minister of Calamity in Edo State, a traitor, a rat, camelo, tortoise, python, hyenas, only him have decided to invade Edo with Kogi terrorists. The bomb that was used to launch at APC National Chairman resident Lawrence Oka was from Kogi. Now, these animals have not decided to accuse an innocent man. When I read about this man, what they call him, Christo Uso, how dare you, Christo Sagi, sorry, how dare you, Christo, how dare you, don't be in my list, too. If you be in my list, I will narrate you, Christo Uso. I am times 10. I'm the king of social media. Now political career, I go narrate you. Go see people when don't ever try me. Go look at their life. Well, I mean, go see them. My career, political career, Topiro, I go expose you. How dare you? How dare you even inject the name of Pastor Osage Zeyamu into this mess? Listen, Crusoe Uso, did you not know who threw that bomb? I'm asking you, Obaseki communication director. Did you not know who threw that bomb? That a dynamite bomb, whatever they call it, a grenade. Did you not know it? Obaseki, you tell me you did not know who you sent. But etinomio ya, where ma not fear bomboni? Do you want me to mention their name? Niswenia. I live in America. I am the king of the innocent poor citizen. Egbeya na eme na all body na ma the year word. Egbeya ina eme. How dare you? If you ever try it and inject Pastor Osage Zeyamu name on it, there are a lot of things that I cannot even review on social media. I will pour everything out. Try it again. Try it again. When I want to favor Lawrence Okawa, are you telling me Lawrence Okawa know who threw bomb in his house? He am to boy man want to fear bomb you are. What begin now? Olobori do work no go fin. Cat is going to court. Rat can begin a parade on social media. Because I did court yesterday, when I begin to accuse my own brother, Pastor Osage Zeyamu. Any man or woman that know the truth and decide to accuse my own brother, calamity will never leave your home in Jesus' mighty name. Problem upon problem will visit you. If you dare inject Oshomole name, or Sage Yamu name, or Dubu, Oriomo ancestors go destroy you people. You know what I'm saying? You can imagine. Look at these people. Eh? How can you know the truth? You know who is creating this problem. And you will decide to turn a blind eye and a deaf ear. Eh? Is this not Governor Godwin Obaseki? I don't even want to show the bomb explosion. I don't even want to show it. I just want people to listen to this animal, this ungrateful person. Imagine, because I was in the court yesterday, they were parading on social media anyhow because I was not around. Listen to Governor Godwin Obaseki during his this is the pledge he pledged to Comrade Adamale Oshomole. I want everyone to listen. You see this ungrateful. Everybody should share this video. Share it as many as you can. You know we are no longer on Facebook. I want you to share it. And John Coker, stand by immediately. This video is out. I want you to cut it and do what you normally do. Listen.
Taking the reins of office from our one and only Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, my leader and mentor, who is also leader and mentor to many of us, is an honor that I will always treasure. I will always respect and hold dear his love, his trust, confidence, counsel, and inspiration.
All right.
Comrade Governor, I want to thank you in the presence of all and before the whole world for being the leader that you have been for the people of Edo State. For the wisdom which you have pursued our common interests and well-being. For being all that you have been to me. I want to assure you that as we take over today from where you stopped, we have resolved to build on your legacy.
Underline. That is Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. That is Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. Promising heaven and earth. You know what I'm saying? What is the governor saying today? That he want to arrest Comrade Adamale Oshomole, right? Isn't it? Is that not what Governor Obaseki is saying today? That he want to arrest Comrade Adamale Oshomole. Hold on, let me play it. Listen. This is the same man. Listen to him.
Abuja is the national. The membership of the party.
Hold on.
If anybody in the name of our party tries to do anything that is contrary to what we have agreed as a party, we will deal with that person ruthlessly, no matter who he is. I am the governor of Edo State, and I am so authorizing. I am so authorizing. If anyone comes to your ward or local government to now begin to do things that are anti-party outside of what the party has agreed, I hereby authorize you to deal with that person seriously, according to me. Because the way parties work, if you're a member of a party and you have any issue, you come to the meeting to discuss your issues. If you can convince everybody, then your way is what will prevail. Is that not how parties are organized?
That's how it's supposed to.
Has any of those clowns who call themselves EPM come to the ward meetings to canvass their views, and the views were not accepted if they are real? So we are not going to allow destructive elements disrupt our party. The president said, go and build the party from the base, from the word. That is what we are doing. And anybody who cannot comply with the party structure has to leave the party. And we are warning the suspended national chairman. If he continues with his activities in Edo State, I will show him that I am the governor of Edo State.
Okay. Which one is it? This is the same man.
Taking the reins of office from our one and only comrade Adams Oshiomhole, my leader and mentor, who is also leader and mentor to many of us, is an honor that I will always treasure.
Always.
I will always respect and hold dear his love, his trust, confidence, counsel, and inspiration. Comrade Governor, I want to thank you in the presence of all and before the whole world for being the leader that you have been for the people of Edo State.
Hold on. That is Governor Godwin Obaseki. That is Governor Godwin Obaseki. And that is the same man speaking over here.
What happened this morning?
Give me 1 second.
To you. For those of you who have gone outside to Abuja to say that people from outside should come and invade the door, to come and seize our House of Assembly, we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you.
Those people who you see on social media, on internet, they are inconsequential. They just will make noise and shout, but let them come to Edo. Let them come and say what they are saying in Oba Market and see whether people will not lynch them. They can only do that on social media. And like I said, I am in Benin waiting for them. Those people who are speaking on the internet and everywhere for themselves and their pockets. I know people who are watching you. Yes, sir! For some of you who have gone outside to Abuja to say that people from outside to come and invade the door, to come and seize our House of Assembly, we are waiting for you. Stop our back. I have made it clear in one of our national executive committee meetings. The president said, go and bring the party from the base, from the world. That is what we are doing. And anybody who cannot comply with the party structure has to leave the party. Yes, sir.
This is the man who said people are bringing people from Abuja to invade Edo. That is the legislator. Now Obaseki are bringing people from Kogi, not Niger Delta people, not Ujo people, Kogi people. Kogi terrorists are the one. The bomb they are using are the bomb they use to destroy granite, Kalu. You know, if you go to Ajakota, Obaseki security, Obaseki boys, 4+4 Togba terrorists. They will go to Kogi. They will go and buy the little one that destroy, like that can do damage to a home. They are bringing those bombs, that a grenade from a God bless you, from a Kogi state. You know what I'm saying? And they want to blame it on somebody else. Here you have Crusoe, Osagi, whatever they call him. On another to take Boavedario. Can you imagine? What is his name? Let me see. Crusoe, Osagi, accusing Pastor Osagi Izeyamu. I am a big believer of redemption. A strong believer of redemption. Sometimes I think people will change, or people can be changed, or they can be redeemed. But unfortunately, Governor Godwin Obaseki is irredeemable. And information going out right now, Governor Obaseki wants to do whatever it takes to eliminate those who are threat to him. As you know, is planning more lawsuit on me. And I will use this media to tell those who think I am useful to them. You abandoning me into this case by myself to handle. While I'm doing the work, you are wrecking in the benefit. I want you to know that it's not going to be forever. You cannot expect me to go and work 12 hours. My wife will go and work 12 hours. Money that we are supposed to use to feed my family. And you are not using, I'm not using it to be battling litigation. To hire a lawyer here in America, a case of $1 million plus, how much do you think they're going to charge? If you sue someone for 400 million naira, how much do you think lawyer is going to charge you in Nigeria? Just answer yourself. So what make you think, Mega Comrade, after I fight this battle, then you will not come and tell me, oh, don't worry, Akataka, your own is coming for you. I hate people that feed, that eat, that live on the back of others. If you know you don't want to take the fire of social media, do not reap the fruit of my labor. And those that is going to share this video today, may God not let anyone reap the fruit of your labor in Jesus' mighty name. It's just like me now. I'm supporting Pastor Sage Zeyamu, Comrade Adamali Oshomule. Those are my Pastor Sage Zeyamu is my number one, and he's the only one that I know he can defeat Godwin Obaseki. I know that. So how will you not expect me? You are someone else. After these 3 years to 4 years, everything I've went through, you want to come like a checker tortoise. You want to be a governor. Hell, you guys want to have your bonwe. You guys want to have your bonwe with social media now. Ule. Very man there is one now. Pack your garment of contesting for governor. Just go and put it aside. And just throw your support on Pastor Osage Zeyamu. Pastor Osage Zeyamu is not negotiable. Pastor Osage Zeyamu APC ticket is not negotiable. Because I have labored. My family have labored, have suffered for today to come. Anybody that think they will use one way or the other while you are drinking pepper soup, I am here struggling. Pay Anthony fees. 1 naira. You are not supporting me with it. And you are printing poster. That come next week, bumper to bumper. I go the call on name one by one. I go judge the call on where all the baba thing one I don't do. I go the bring them come out one by one. So if you know, I want everyone to share this video. This is just me female or I know. Oh, I know. Because I know I go area my go. Oh, I know. If you know you are not Pastor Osage Zeyamu and you are contesting for governor or primary, pack your load and stay in your room. You cannot come from one corner. Where were you for the past 3 years? We are late. Gay, you are swing stop. Everybody know me. Once I start, I know they stop. Everyone know me. You see Obaseki laugh. You see the way it is. That is an example. Expose all the baba thing that you might think that nobody knows. Once I mention your name, everything will come out. This is a message to all leaders. That you think you can just sit and be enjoying. Right? When after election, you will not come and say, Gary commissioner nona, Gary nona, Egbe, we manager nona. I am fighting for the poor. If you go make banana, make a set you then we are lago yakbo. Wama help ma Libya wa ha wo ke ga election. Iga swing stop. E wona me ho we not down here. Who get here make here o. Una hear me? Who get here? Vele Tonia Yama. Me waji. I told you now. You know, Obaseki he nine he political career really tired away. If you don't want to be a victim, only people that are exempt in this is Comrade Adamali Oshomule and Pastor Osage Izeyamu. Finish. Those are the two people that are exempt in it. Because I know Oshomule, if everything goes well, he will help the people. I know Pastor Osage Izeyamu, if everything goes well, he will help the people. But the rest, you people have been tested. Some of them have done 4 years for House of Representatives. Krota, even come on 1 kilometer. If you give some of them money, maybe they go give their daughter. They go cut them into 3. You want to tell me you want? If I start, nobody can resist me on social media. Nobody. I will roll over you like a goddamn alligator. This time now, as Pastor Sage Zeyamu, they come out now. Instead of now to surround him, instead of now they hide. The same people made that they criticize him. You think we don't know your tactics? When we my tactics were, and they watch you now. You will send some people say this out, so that. If you anybody try Pastor Sage Zeyamu for this social media, I will tell you, say I'm the king of this social media. I will speak the truth. I will speak the truth. Pastor Sage Zeyamu ticket is not negotiable. I repeat, Pastor Osage Izeyamu governorship ticket is not negotiable. Straight. So all this cockroach, all this our friend, no very nice one land in Warang. Career, where be a career. Am I owing you people? No. Have you given me money? No. Zero. Nada. I'm not owing you. I'm not obligated to anything. I am not owing you 1 naira. You have not support people freedom movement one day, except for one guy, one in Lagos, that was during Showore time. He was sending money 50,000 and plus one in Benin 50,000 finish. That's it. Any other person when you see he don't support people freedom movement, make it contend me. Where are you time, man? One other. How can I be coming out on social media every day after I have succeeded torpedoing Governor Obaseki political career? Then you want to come and reap the fruit of my labor because I have no money to contest. Abi? You think say if me I get money, I for not contest. Email why me away governor. Yakobo Wayo. Am I forbidden to become a governor? They can't my hand. Because of money. Destiny. When you phone them, let me give her a social media treatment before she come out. Only no my set bakara no me agbon. In any politician near we test and drop. Okwe everywhere you are. Elindia what here. Where we want do not where you are. I say no ya you worry. What logo no political prostitute. No me agbon. Even we are not do crack platform me na. We ma on your platform na. Avi iyima. We are go and see people that have tried mega company. Runia mugbi igwa. Iragwa. Why me? You know his area. Anywhere that we go. Anywhere that we go. If you see these people, we don't fight in Hanomigo for no justice. See, they are alive. And so they are completely dead. They are just they are dead because I trust my people. See them. You see all these 1,000 plus when they watch for YouTube now. We know the Facebook today. This 1,000 plus, we get a win for the pastor. we get evangelist, we get apostle, we get Ogmanji, we get Shavi, we get Golokwekwe, we get Atori, we get those when go even throw what they call Eve, what it be Eve for me? Eve, when that medicine when they make your brocos, they swear. Although you get that boy, you know, although I swear your brocos, you don't feel weird, trousers again. And so rapa. I get all of the year. And I get nurse, doctor, engineer, professor, the full year. The full year. Yeah, what time? Your name, they go. Yeah, me bo no le run wa le run o we po. Where will they go through? Me wait. You know what they go through every day. You know, you think it's easy to lead a group. Hey, akataka. Oh boy, not try. If not be, listen. Comrade Adamali Oshomole is not choosing anybody. It's neutral. That is how a leader is doing it. But we are telling you, if you know say you there another side, more than share this video, go give Pastor Sagi Zeya, more than share land to our leader, comrade. If you know you are not in pastor side, just come. It's not by force. I'm begging you now, come before it's set next week. From next week, all I set because even what I don't owe enough now 1 penny. Now only Pastor Sagi Zeyamu, who I know when he went tomorrow, he can be able to help me to bring our children home. Those that want to come home. And those that want to stay in abroad, you want to do business, is ready to assist anywhere. However, Pastor Sagi Zeyamu is the one carrying a Degbe vision, the poor vision. Other than Pastor Sagi Zeyamu, wala wo ima oni swini Europa. Wala o we na magbu gbenayi na dori awa. Wa gari awa. Agreed of Boma. You know what I'm saying? Ambition, greed, ambition. You have a bit. You want to become a God. How can only you become? Only you. You go House of Representative 8 years. No road to your community. Okay, we get person when don't do 8 years for governor. No road to your community. We get person when don't do minister of works. Minister of works. Or minister of waiting. Enough it time. Bini Abraka road. Enough reach 60 miles. Enough it time. Then you call the print poster. You see, as I respect Saturday Owilekwe, former NDDC commissioner. You see, I'm talking of him now good. That you remember the man who carried aeroplane, Tebere Papa, a long time ago. When he print poster, say he want to become governor. Now only one call. I call a family. I say, I don't suffer for this, you know. I'm from Orion, no Orion person. All these political leaders, when they call themselves leader, no one help me. No one help me. No one. I beg, may they not spoil her. Now, Orion people have perished in Libya more than any other local government in Nigeria. Orion people have died in the sea more than any other local government in Nigeria. Orion people are the main victim of this political recklessness. So, we are not going to allow all these Ugu politicians. Ugu politics in the middle of Palare. Ugu politics. A no gay brother. A no gay sister. Now that they head party. A no gay tane. Or a tane. Or cheno gay guane. If you ma wuluwe Belibia. If you ma wuluwe Singapore. South Africa. Are you on it? Ugu politics. If now Ugu politics want play for this 2020. Kurukuru anyame kweveze. Kurukuru anyame kweveze. Kurukuru anyame kweveze. Uno as a bet the bath for inside water. Uno. You go enter water or swim. Uwe ahwe will I am ahwe. Oh, society wanna. Society not did this one. Everything a society Mediterranean Sea not know whether you be Aye or you be Eye or you be Asahidi. you be a supplicant, or you be you don't know when the materials they come. Whoo, now so as they carry a year people, now so they carry not the society, now so they carry a year, now so they carry Bukhari, they're not the differentiator. Is that true or false? My area, are you there? True or false? Mediterranean, Libya militant asses. They don't know who be. You get one guy when they say be leader of now my cousin tell me. My cousin, one of my cousins is an Aye. That's true. I know the lie. He said their leader when they come up for Benin. He said when they give her slap for Libya, boy, they go to look her. Now he mellow. He straight. He know if he talk say now he be the leader. Yeah, where is you see you? Desert not know who you be. You hear me? So we are not going to tolerate anybody who want to use his own to spoil our own. Thank God we don't get person when don't do deputy governor. He don't do 8 years of House of Assembly. Make it just stay one side. We respect him as our father. We get the one when don't go do minister. One road. We still respect him as our leader. It's our father. Make it stay. Make them not come. You see, Joe Biden, the former vice president of the United States. President Obama, people were telling him, don't contest. Once you contest, you will ruin your reputation. You will ruin. He didn't listen. Greed. How is Joe Biden today? I supported him one time. I donated for him one time. I stopped. You know what I'm saying? So, don't let greed destroy you. Please, if you are watching on YouTube, if you don't know how to like our page, all you just have to do, hit the back button right here. On your phone, hit the back button. It's going to show you this. You can see it. So what you need to do, just click on the thumbs up. It's going to show blue. You click on the thumbs up, it will show blue. Then you click on the live chat. You see the live chat? Then it will bring back the screen again. Live chat, you see how? It bring back the screen again. So it's easy. So once it's blue, you know you already like this. I was going to spend 1 hour. Unfortunately, I'm more than 1 hour. So, brothers and sisters, I am telling you, we love ourselves. We are not going to fight each other. But all these poster that I'm seeing, we see Pau Gemonyi they do it home. Pau Dubu they do it home. Me, I don't know what Pau Dubu they find again. He don't do deputy governor. He don't do House of Representatives, 8 years. He's a professor. He goes school past everybody when they here. They know you go no saru no baba no my no. Why you go no saru no? Error. Why get former Pastor Sage Zeyamu have never been elected in any office. It's only 2 appointments he got because he was a chief of staff. He did a very good job. They give him SSG. That's it. Me, I want to be a governor, but I stepped down for him. Without even asking him, are you going to give me this? Are you going to give me that? No. So why can't you look at Saturday Owulekwe? Only one phone call. I call the family. He stop. So we are going like Saturday Owulekwe tomorrow. Saturday is my brother. Anything you want to do, if you call me around amigo, my brother, help me do the. I go take social media 24 hours for him. I go take social media 24 hours for him for Saturday Owulekwe because I respect those who think of others. Saturday Owulekwe, I think he has been redeemed, and I believe in redemption. When you become irredeemable, where you are your sister, you criticize a pastor, Sage say you will make an ambitious. You got to Peter career, political career with woo or you know expect to. Ik pak me gewede yak me obaseki kiana ogbonis ani no mama. Ogbonis ani no gewede yak e career ye wa gbe 4 years of agbara ma yo wa. I don't care. I don't mind staying for another 4 years or 8 years not going home. I don't mind. I'm used to it. Oh my we agbere na we akio my me worry me why gbe neni ya nawe. Iwa 8 years in here now. It's better for Governor Obaseki to just, as he's going to PDP. Breaking news. Governor Obaseki is about to go to PDP. And allegedly, we are hearing that the governor-elect of, I think it's Akwa Ibom, No, Uruguay. Uruguay. Wait, Uruguay is what? Is it not a Bayelsa State? Bayelsa State. A Bayelsa State governor elect is now going to replace Governor Obaseki, progressive vice chairman. Obaseki, I think they are finalizing Governor Obaseki. Bayelsa State, God bless you. Governor Obaseki is going from fire to fry pan. He's going to piri 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 piri. When I don't see that what they call it the rap debut for concert. I mean for rally. You know, see PDP anything. Listen. I'm an independent man. I did PDP. I did PC. I did Accord. I did ABGA. Only party where I know they not be AAC. AAC any AAC are the worst past this no they never explode bomb 4+4 talk about worst past then and then they carry second after Boko Haram now Fulani herdsmen after Fulani herdsmen now Obaseki 4+4 talk back terrorist group after Obaseki 4+4 talk back now AAC show former party. You see them? Now then, after that one, they go kidnapper. After kidnapper, armed robber. After armed robber, ENA Association, America. Criminal food there, criminal felony. ENA, they extort money from every association. 300 from next week. The other one, we know they talk about them again. We know they talk about them again. We're not going to even mention his name so that make it for recover. So for now, until I see their proposal to me, if the proposal is good, I'll say okay. If it's not good, no way. I am a freedom fighter. I have a First Amendment right. I can say whatever I want, however I want it, however I want to speak it. If I want it to be loud, I can say it. My First Amendment right cannot be taken away from me. Nobody. Or my Second Amendment right. I can carry any gun I want to carry. I can carry Uzi, whatever I want to carry. I can have 10, 25, 50 pistol with my license. I do whatever I want, provided I do not use it to commit illegal activity. Period. That is the only thing. So, my people, that is on that one. There, for the demolition of Tony Kabaka home, Governor Godwin Obaseki illegally demolished that house. So tomorrow we are going to talk about it. I don't want this video to be too long. So I want people to send this message, this video, to everyone to leave Pastor Osage Izeyamu alone. Nobody else that is going there. We are ready peacefully. As they are fighting us with bomb, we'll be fighting them with Bible. That is all I can say for now. And once again, I want to thank everyone. I will be heading back to court. If you know you want to assist legal, you want to assist Mega Comrade, by any way, it don't matter. You are free to do it. My information is there. That account number I will remove it from YouTube. Since I put it on YouTube, I don't get 1 penny from it. 1 naira. 1 naira. I don't get. Yeah, remove it. Before I put that account there, people will be calling me. Can we have your account? Can we have your account? Immediately I put that account. 1 penny. They will not. They will be using that one to disturb me. Yeah, people that are calling me, I don't know why you are calling me. Why are you calling me? I'm not looking for friend. I'm not looking for friend. Why are you not calling me? What? Some people will just pick up the phone and call me. I don't know their name. You think I will just answer them? I will block you. I don't have to. By now, after 3, 4 years, almost 4 years, your name is not in my contact. You are irrelevant. You are in this world. Mostly you are in Europe or America. After 3, 4 years, your name is not there. My brother, forget it. So, I love you. I see you all tomorrow. God bless you. May the Lord Almighty bless Comrade Adamalio Shomula. Good night. I love you.
of your tomorrow. Babala ọdún rẹ̀ gàdíà. Ọ̀dà lápáta wẹ̀ ọ̀dà ni. Ọ̀hún bí ẹ̀dùn ọ̀gbìn.